Tired of paying too much for GEICO car insurance? What if I told you there are easy ways to lower your premiums in 2025 without cutting your coverage? Stick around because I'm sharing some of the best tips to save money, including a few that many drivers don't even know about. First, take a close look at your current policy. You might be paying for coverage you no longer need. Older cars or lighter driving habits could mean you're overpaying. Next, check if your car has safety and security features. Things like anti-lock brakes, extra airbags, or anti-theft devices can earn you discounts. Just update your GEICO account or let your agent know. There are also plenty of other discounts you might qualify for. For example, finishing a defensive driving course, being in the military or a federal employee, or even maintaining good student status can all lower your premiums. One of the biggest savings? Bundling your policies. Combining your auto, renters, or homeowners insurance under GEICO can unlock significant multi-policy discounts. Another smart move is adjusting your deductible. A higher deductible lowers your monthly payments. Just make sure you have some savings in case you need it. For older vehicles, consider scaling back coverage. Dropping comprehensive or collision while keeping liability insurance can save a lot without leaving you unprotected. GEICO's Drive. Easy Program is another great way to save. The app tracks your driving habits, like speed, braking, and phone usage, and rewards safe drivers with discounts over time. When buying a new car, keep insurance costs in mind. Cars that are safer, harder to steal, and cheaper to repair typically cost less to insure. Other simple strategies include paying your premium in full, avoiding small claims, and maintaining a clean driving record. These actions signal to GEICO that you're a low-risk driver, which usually means lower rates. Lowering your GEICO car insurance in 2025 isn't about luck. It's about making smart choices. From discounts and safe driving programs to bundling policies and adjusting coverage, these tips could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Start applying these strategies today and watch your premiums drop. If this guide helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy money saving tips. Your wallet will thank you.